Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
My name is Sean, and I'm going to be talking about hurricanes. The purpose of this experiment is to find out what is the strongest point of the storm. My hypothesis is that the strongest part of a hurricane is near the eye. Research shows that when a bunch of storms come together, they come together in one storm. What they need is warm ocean water, wind. Let's see here. It also needs light winds coming together. Humid air rising makes it, and what a hurricane looks like looks like a giant saw blade. There's the spiral rain bands, which are part of that spin around it. Then you have the eye wall, that's the darker part that is around the eye, and then the eye is the white part. Here's some pictures of what a hurricane would look like, and here's the pictures that you need to. And the items that you need to make this is one large bowl, large wooden spoon, water, paperclip, string, and an index card, and you can use a stick to hold it. First, fill the bowl up with 2/3 full of water. Next, cut a 10-inch piece of string and tie the paperclip to it, and if you have a stick, tie it to that. Then I use the wooden spoon to stir it around, and then put the paperclip in there, and spin with the spoon 3 times. Then find 3 index cards, and then write down what you saw. The results were that the rain bands were not the strongest. The eye was really not the strongest. And I found out that the eye wall was the strongest. The strongest point of the hurricane was the eye wall, near the eye of the storm. This is the location where a hurricane is the strongest. And if you think a hurricane is when the winds don't pick up anymore, and you think the storm is over, it's not, because you're going just through the eye. It can be 600 feet. So stay inside, don't walk out around. Say, I'm going to go grocery shopping, because you're probably going to get picked up and maybe get hit with the breeze. And in the conclusion, this is the experiment about hurricanes.
All right, you going to show it to us?
Would you like to show us your experiment?
Maybe help.
Yeah, that's fine. This is assistance.
This is going to be hard.
Oh, you want me to start? You can, or so you can have somebody else start. Now, the hurricane, because of the Earth rotation.
Oh yeah, there's one more thing, is that a hurricane spins anti-clockwise above the equator and clockwise below the equator.
Now you have to hold this up. Well, let me spin it, and I'll take the spoon out, and then you have to put it, test on the outside first.
So then
So when you hold it
then
like that.
what's good about these kinds of bowls is that there's a little ring around it, so you can put where the eye wall is.
Okay, why don't you test this in the center, see if there's any speed there in the center. See, it's hardly moving in the center.
You guys see that?
Let's do it again. Don't let it touch the ground. It has to be in the top of the water.
That's good.
Okay, yeah, so that's good. So let's spin it again and try the middle.
You see that?
So then now you want to try the eye wall, which should be the fast. We'll find out. Okay.
You see
See how
it?
fast I
You
go?
see it's the fastest?
That's the most dangerous and devastating part.
And another part is because it is the slowest. Well, a hurricane is slower that means that it can do more wind damage because it has wind damage,
Mhm.
and the breeze is flying, and water damage. So you're bound to get a flood,
Mhm.
strong winds, maybe hail, and cold, heavy rain.
Now, when you say it's slower, are you saying that the wind is slower,
No,
or that it's a
The
slower?
actual storm is actually slower than a tornado
Because
the
it's so
tornado
big and
is
it.
so big and it takes a while to get there because a tornado could just come in and goes boom, 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 and then go up. It takes forever.
Yes.
And this is my experiment about hurricanes.
Very good, Sean.